Hello everyone, my name is Camille. I'm the owner of Morfosoaps. Thank you very much for joining me with another soap making video today. In this video is going to be the making of a triple clay bar of soap. It's a cold process soap. We used all natural colors. I'll show you the bar. I hope it's showing. Yeah. And so we have 3 layers. Each layer is colored with one type of clay. That's why it's a triple clay. We have the bentonite clay, Rasool clay, and the pink kaolin clay. And this is scented with sweet orange essential oil. It's an all natural soap. I really hope you enjoy watching this video. If you're not subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing. If you like the video, you can hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment, or you can check our email in the description box and you can send us an email. We would love to be in touch. So without any further ado, let's go and watch how we're making those soaps. And see you again next week. Bye. As you can see, the station is all ready to go. We will start with mixing the clays and the soft oils. And then I'll do the 3 colors, bentonite clay, Rasool clay, and the pink kaolin clay, this one. And then once we mix them with the soft oils, we put them on the side. We take the hard oils, we add to it the hot lye solution, water with lye. It's really hot, so the temperature will dissolve the hard oils and butters. That's what we call the heat transfer method. Once this is dissolved, I'll mix to it the soft oils mixed already with the clay and the essential oil. And then I will have my batter ready to pour into the mold, and that will be the first layer, and then I'll mix the second layer, third layer using the same method. After I poured the third layer, so I will texture the top using a spoon just to kind of give it this kind of wavy, nice top, as you can see. 24 hours later, we are cutting the soap. As you can see, it's well layered. You can see the three colors, the three clays, and then the top. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you on the next one. And until then, have a nice and wonderful time. Take care.